Welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've done a video in general. The morning off by seeing two dolphins swimming together is just like the best way to start any morning. It was to wake up with the sunrise, obviously no sunrise. I thought this went outside. Some of the CrossFit competition this morning for like the elites, and then it's kind of a gloomy day out. It's not really hot at all, so we're just kind of relaxing. No one really competes until tomorrow for like our group, so I think we might just hang out in the pool a little bit, make some lunch, and then go walk downtown and explore a little bit. So I'm gonna try to figure out where we want to go and what we want to do. What? I'm talking to my like 40 followers. That was very cold, but it's not for a shower, so honestly, can't complain. Little rainstorm, so we got a little wet. I think we're all about to go play some putt-putt. We've kind of just been rotting around for the past like 2.5-3 hours, so I'm just like talking with everyone. There's a game on. I was reading a little bit because I got a new book, but everyone wants to go play mini golf, so I'm gonna change really quick for that, and then I'll come back and I'll show you my outfit. Off to play some mini golf. Putt-putt. This is my little fit. Something cutie because I think we're gonna go to dinner after. Jay, no! Nice.
Four.
Next day, out to go to the CrossFit competition. Today was so much fun. We literally just like spur of the moment decided to go play mini golf with everyone. So we had like a big group, and then we all went out for some dinner after to a place we've been to before, which was just really good. All kind of just were like, okay, we're so exhausted, let's go to bed. And then planning on waking up this morning to go see the sunrise, which did not disappoint. So pretty. I saw some crabs walking around, amazing seashells for a few necklaces I want to create. And I also have like some other ideas as far as like arts and crafts that I want to do with some seashells. So usually we like to like set up, have like our tent and our beach chairs. So we'll set up, and then in between people competing, we will just like be relaxing at the beach. And my book that I've been reading has actually been so good, so I'm excited to actually continue reading that. I don't know why I decided to do this in the sun, because I'm like blinded, but started reading it yesterday and then I fell asleep by the pool for a little bit because I was just like so exhausted. I think it's like 9 o'clock and it is stifling outside, so we are definitely going to be baking in the sun today. So didn't see any dolphins this morning, which was kind of a bummer, but grateful that I got to see them yesterday. And I think the plan is to, like, after we explore the seafood festival that we went to for a little bit yesterday, we're actually going to go back with everyone, because now that everyone's here, we're like, guys, you would love it so much. There's so much food. There's a ton of different vendors that are like selling stuff that they've made, and it was just a lot of fun and something I think everyone really enjoy. Plus it's downtown Pensacola, and I think that area is just like beautiful in general. There's a football game on that everyone wants to watch. I might be by the pool. My goal for the evening is to like have some cookies or something, because being by the beach makes me want to have ice cream, but I'm lactose intolerant, so I really try not to have dairy if possible. Let me show you my outfit. My honey swim bathing suit on. I love this so much, and it's triangle, so, but I like that it's not around my neck. I love a good tan line, but sometimes if I want to wear like a t-shirt, I don't necessarily want to see all the time, and this is just the back. And then I've got my Levi shorts on, some Havanias, and I think we're ready to go. I'm going to see where everyone else is at, and we need to get on the road. Welcome to my outdoor shower. This was my outdoor shower because it's so spacious and it's just like the perfect setup. Hair is like crunchy from all of the salt. So much seaweed, like the little bits of seaweed. That is all in my hair right now and probably everywhere in my bathing suit. So I'm so glad it's like super hot here, because this outdoor shower goes from freezing to cold. Those are the two temperatures that it has, so. Yes, please. That was so refreshing.
To do it with me, and for whatever reason, if I'm taking too long of a breather.
technically I am. We're getting ready for the competition this morning. Just made all of our sandwiches. I did some skincare and a little bit of blush. Probably won't be coming back here until 3. Jay's team just finished their first workout of 4, so I'm coming back to the tent to get my water, and then I've got like my little fanny pack set up here, but I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I didn't make any this morning because it was so early and I really just like wasn't hungry at that point. So I'm gonna get some breakfast, and they've got about like an hour and a half before their next one, so I'm gonna just enjoy the sun. The water is perfectly clear today. It is like that like Gatorade cool blue with a little bit of green in it, and it is so refreshing because it's a little bit toasty out, but the seaweed is gone. But compared to yesterday, there's literally no seaweed, so I think it's time we take a dunk. This is so nice. There's no one out. It's a little windy this morning. I did not get up for sunrise because we stayed up way too late last night, just having fun. We all came back after the competition ended. We all went out to eat, and then we also came back, showered, went in the pool for a bit, and then got like dessert, watched some TV. So we went to bed pretty late. We have to leave pretty early because of this wind. Forgot my curler, and I really wanted to curl my hair for today, so it's kind of curled in a way. I like wrapped it and then slept with like 2 like Princess Leia buns basically, and I feel like it's somewhere. Checkout is early, so there's only a few of us left here, so we're gonna quickly just go through the house and make sure we got everything, and then I really don't know what we're gonna do for like the next couple of hours. We usually don't like to leave super early in the morning if possible, if we don't have like somewhere to be at a specific time. So I'm thinking if it's still a nice day, maybe we'll still go to the beach, or we'll walk around downtown or do something fun, and then we'll head back home because it's a couple hours drive, and then we can go see the little piggies. Go ahead and change, do my skincare, wake up a little bit. I don't even have my contacts in, so I really can't even see what I look like.